Even though you already know that many animals are intelligent, today we'll show you that they can do things you never would have imagined they could. Don't show your parents this video if they are constantly bugging you about the mess in your room, since this chimpanzee started cleaning its own enclosure after observing people do it for a while. And this little chimpanzee is another one who is just beginning to understand it. After seeing people pass by, this chimpanzee began to walk properly. Unfortunately, he will regret this when he has to work an office job and pay bills. Compared to most humans, the orangutan is more skilled at washing its hands. In a South African safari park, a family apparently observed lions from the safety of their vehicle, and they discover the importance of always locking your doors. Fortunately, the passenger was able to quickly close the door in time. When this raccoon steals food from a cat's bowl in front of all three owners, it flees like if from a cartoon. The fact that the raccoon not only stole the food but also washed its hands before doing so shows that at least he has acquired some type of manners. Be careful as these little animals work together to reach the good stuff. If you have goats around your house, I'd recommend investing in a high-quality lock because they are reportedly experts at picking locks. At least these dogs are intelligent enough to only bark at each other while the gate is in place to keep them apart. They can't decide whether they love or detest each other. This cute baby elephant from China is 3 years old and has mastered the art of hill sliding. When a dog surpasses you in a game of volleyball, you realize that humans are not always the best players. What does your face look like while you're being tickled? We understand the purpose of elephants' trunks. And this elephant who wasn't as enthusiastic about being photographed. When a beluga whale uses a rugby ball to play fetch, it demonstrates their high level of intelligence. Crows may be perceived by some people as annoying birds that constantly try to take their food. However, crows are actually highly intelligent, as seen by the one that returns every day to play with the dog and its owner. There are 19 of the so-called waving brown bears at Olympic Game Farm in Washington who have attracted a lot of attention from travelers across the world since they can catch bread pieces with their teeth and paws like edible frisbees in addition to waving to them. Let us know which of these videos most impressed you in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications switched on so you don't miss our next video.